Are you interested in creating $1 million content for your business on social media? Then you clicked on the right video. I am going to be sharing with you guys today my content creating tips to help you guys create some content for your business to generate more sales, thus generating more cash. So if this is something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. And if this is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you will never miss one of my videos. So I absolutely love doing these type of videos, dropping and sharing free gems with you guys. How to create $1 million content for your online business. So as you guys know, in today's day and age, everything revolves around social media. If you have an online business, you need social media to promote your business and generate sales. Okay, so before you even start creating content for your business, you must know your end goal. You must know what you are trying to achieve when starting to create content for your business. So your end goal could be anything from generating leads to converting to sales, or just pretty much collecting emails if you are offering a service. So the first step to creating content for your business is actually going to be getting together a content creation roadmap. This is pretty much going to be your GPS as to what type of content you are going to be creating. Also, how you're going to create that content and where you're going to be distributing this content. 9 out of 10, you're watching this video to learn how to generate more traffic to your online business to create sales. In order to do that, you're going to have to be creating a lot of content. So I just want to let you guys know, please do not expect to see any results and any conversions if you are not posting daily on your business page. So another tip is that you actually must know your audience, know who you are trying to market to, know the age limit, and also know what region, state, country you are trying to market to. So knowing your target audience helps a lot, because if my brand is dedicated to Y2K and younger girls, then marketing my stuff to older women would not be a plus for me. I would not generate sales that way. So you must know what age range you are marketing to. Stop. Now that I got your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and it supports my channel. It helps me to keep creating these type of videos for entrepreneurs like you and entrepreneurs like myself. So back into the program. The first type of content you can create to generate more sales for your business is actually going to be content where you are showcasing your products and you're doing tutorials on how to use your products, how to style your products, what your products are for, and actually showing people how your products can be used in many different ways. So let's not forget, if you're creating skincare, you want to make sure you're creating videos actually showing how good your skincare is and how it works, and even results of you using your own skincare products. The second type of content you can create for your business is going to be behind the scenes video. I find that these videos actually do the most because people actually see how you're packaging orders. You can do packet order with me. People love these type of videos because they can actually see how you would be packing their order. So it's more behind the scenes and they feel very in touch with these type of videos. You can also do videos like restock my inventory with me or go to the post office with me to ship off packages. People love videos like this. They love to feel like they're a part of the entire experience of purchasing from your store. So the third type of content you can create for your business is actually creating entertaining type of videos. Like, who does not? I feel like all of these social media platforms, we go to social media to get entertainment. So if you're able to figure out a way how to incorporate entertainment with your business and shopping with your store, then that is a major plus. Not everybody is able to do that type of content. So when I say creating entertaining videos, I mean like create trends, make shopping from your store an experience, make it fun, make it funny. Everybody loves to laugh. That is one way we are able to relate. Everyone loves to laugh. So if you can create humor into showcasing your products, then that is a super plus for your store. So the fourth and the last type of content creation is going to be educational videos. Videos such as videos that I do. You can do educational videos showing people how to start their own online business as you have. We all have a different experience. So creating these type of videos on social media, walking people through your process is unique to you. So I think it's super cool that everyone can share their story, and people who are inspiring entrepreneurs are just wanting to open their business, they will look at these videos and you will be helping them. And not only will you help them, they would love to support your business. So these type of videos, this type of content is very good to create. So not only are you getting customers, but you're also going to be inspiring other entrepreneurs. So that right there is my 4 ways to creating $1 million content for your online business. If you guys start using and implementing these tips, I promise you, you will see a lot of results. My business blew up because of social media. Like, everything is on social media. You cannot have an online business and not be on social media. Yes, I was an influencer before. So yes, I did have an audience. Yes, that helps. But that doesn't mean anything. You can build pages just from your online business, and I've seen it done so many times. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope this video helps you guys to create some $1 million content for your business, and I hope that it helps you to generate sales for your business, and you see a very big change once you start implementing these tips. So let me know in the comments which tips you already started implementing, and I would love to have a conversation with you guys because I'm super duper open to helping anyone. I reply back to all my comments, so just drop some comments below letting me know what you are already implementing. Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.